If your Roblox is not launching, this tutorial is for you. We are just going to do only 3 simple steps to fix this problem. Please make sure that you do it in a sequence wise, and at the end of this tutorial, you will be a happy camper. So here, you just need to do the right click in the start icon and then click on run and type appwiz.cpl. So here you need to type appwiz.cpl and then just click on OK. Now look for the Roblox, and whatever the Roblox is there, just uninstall it like the way I did. So I do not see any Roblox here. Please ensure you also do not see any Roblox thing. Just do the right click and uninstall it. Once it is done, close this window and then do the right click again on the run window and click on run. Now this time we need to type app data only. So type app data and click on OK. This will open up a location where local, low and roaming. So here we need to go to this local folder and look for any Roblox folder here and just delete it. Do the same thing under roaming as well. If you find Roblox, just delete it and then close it. Now again we will click on run window and we will click on, again we will do the right click on the start window and then we will click on run, and this time we will type percentage app data percentage, and then we need to click on OK. Now here we need to look for the Roblox and delete it. So basically we have cleaned all the traces of Roblox from the machine, and now we are going to install it. And for that, just open your favorite browser and type Roblox. And you will find the first result, roblox.com. Please make sure that you only visit roblox.com to download and install the Roblox folder, installer. Just log into it and download the Roblox, and I'm sure you will be able to launch Roblox. So if your Roblox launcher is working and if it is fixed, please do let me know in the comment section. It will also help others, and please do share. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.